a spherical cell is there. Charge will be distributed on its surface. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
What is the Gauss's law if I apply at the inside of the spherical cell? When I am telling the cell, it means hollow. Cell means hollow inside.
Hollow.
Okay. Gaussian law you have to apply here. What is the charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface?
Gauss law. Yes, sir.
Tell me. Anastasia, can you tell me?
Zero.
Charge enclosed by a Gaussian surface
Yeah. E times
is going to be E on S
d
on the
E time ds is equal to Q by xln 0.
Q by
Epsilon
xn 0.
zero.
Q
That is the
charge
Gauss law.
lies on the surface of the spherical cell. So inside this Gaussian surface there is no charge. So Q
Zero.
will be
Charge is
0. So E into area of
D.
this Gaussian surface B. Let
4
us say
pi b square.
4 pi b square is equal to Q by
Zero.
xln 0 is equal to 0. So what is the E, Anastasia? Can you tell me?
Zero. That's right.
E is
E,
equal to 0
yeah, why?
because
It's
it's Q by xn 0 is equal to 0, so
Yeah,
E is also equal to 0.
yeah. What about the if I draw the graph? If I draw the graph, listen the both the carefully question, and then whom I am asking, then who will reply? Okay, not Sambit.
yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
when
I
I
got it.
reply, just you please, it is joint class. Please just cooperate me.
Okay, sir.
See, if I draw a graph, what graph? It is the distance from the center. Suppose this is the distance. Distance is increasing, and here in this y axis, x axis is distance, y axis is your electric field. What is the nature of this graph? How it will be looks?
First is going to be 0
Up to what distance?
to distance R.
R. Up to distance R. Sambit, are you agreed or not?
Yes, sir, I'm agreed.
Up to distance R, electric field will be 0.
Zero.
Is it clear? R will be, let us say, somewhere here. Electric field will be 0. After that,
After that, it will be uniform.
what is the graph? Which type of graph will be there?
1 second. So it's going to be like a parabola.
Yes, it is going like a parabola type curve. Because it is on square. It is on square. After that, on the R, what will be there? Please tell me. It will be start from 0 here or somewhere
Yes.
here at distance R. How
From
it will go?
0, no? No, not from 0.
Not from 0. Then
It's going to be already, it needs to start from some, like, some number.
yes. Sambit?
Q.
No, it is like this graph of this here. It will be start from not this parabola. Please understand. Parabola will start from here. Which point? This point. This is the max. This is the
This.
maximum point where the electric field is equal to
R. Oh,
KQ
sorry.
by R
R
square,
square.
radius square. Is it clear?
Yes.
R square. Okay. This is the point. After that, it will decrease or increase. I will ask Sambit. Sambit, it will be increase or decrease?
Sir, it will decrease.
And Anastasia, can you tell me?
Yes, it's going to decrease.
Yes, it is in a parabolic form like this one. not go up. It will be goes down only.
Mm-hmm.
It's clear?
Up to
Okay.
0.
Not zero. Zero will go infinity. Yeah. Don't write a zero.
Oh, yes, sir.
Now, Anastasia, please look here. This is the hollow sphere, spherical cell. Now, what happen if I take one solid sphere? One solid sphere if I take, what happen? Please tell
Mm-hmm.
me.
Solid one.
Yeah, solid one like this. Let me draw. Same things, I want to draw the graph for solid. Let us say this is the solid sphere. It is uniformly charged, means inside the charge is also there. It is not like on the
Mm-hmm.
surface.
Mm-hmm.
Everywhere charge is there, equilibrium,
Yes.
everywhere it is distributed. If
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
let us say this radius is r,
Mm-hmm.
this radius is capital R.
Mm-hmm.
I want the electric field at some point inside the sphere.
I
What?
mean, it's gonna be everywhere the same electric field, no?
Uniformly distributed throughout
No,
the
listen the
sphere.
question. Please listen the question. You have not understood. Please listen the complete questions, then you tell me. See, I want here at this point, I have taken the Gaussian surface here at this point, P. So I have
Mm-hmm.
taken this blue color Gaussian surface of radius, let us say r is small r. So you tell me here charge will be less, na? Here
Yes.
inside the Gaussian surface, not whole charge will be there. Whatever
Uh-huh. Yes, yes, smaller charge.
small charge will be there because this surface is containing only this much charge.
Mm-hmm.
So what about you field, you are thinking here field will be more or here will be more? Inside will be more.
Inside will be less.
Inside will be less. Why?
Because the surface, like a surface, is less. No.
Because the charge enclosed by the smaller Gaussian surface is less.
How much charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface? Can you tell me?
So Q by volume or Q
Q
by
by
flow.
volume. Please listen. Q, if the total charge is Q, then
Mm-hmm.
what is the total charge is distributed on the big sphere, whole sphere. Volume of the big sphere is how much? V
4
is
pi
4 by 3 pi
Mm-hmm.
r cube.
capital R cube.
Okay, so charge
Mm-hmm.
density is equal to Q by V is equal to Q by 4. It will be Q dash is equal to Q by R cube divided by R
R
whole cube. What will be the electric field? Please understand, electric field on at point P. Anastasia, please tell me what is the electric
Mm-hmm.
field at point P?
Point P is going to be E. So
Yeah, E
yes, E on ds. So
is
is
equal
equal
to
to Q divide Q
Q
r
dash,
small
Q
r
dash,
square. Oh, sorry, cube
Q
divide
dash,
on r
Q dash.
cube.
Okay. You are telling the value directly.
Mm-hmm.
Q R cube by R cube divided by
epsilon 0.
XLN 0. Good. What is the
Mm-hmm.
area of the this one, Sambit? Please tell me.
So Gaussian surface it will be 4 pi R square.
Which R? Smaller or
Smaller R.
smaller R? 4 pi R square is equal to Q R cube over XLN 0 R cube. Is it clear?
Yes.
Why did you put excellent zero on the? Yes.
Okay. R square and R square cancel. So E is equal to how much?
KQ by RQ.
Q
Directly.
R by 4 pi epsilon 0 RQ. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Now
Yes, sir.
you see, look here. If
Mm-hmm.
R is increasing, you look here. This is constant, Q is constant. This radius of the sphere is everything is constant here.
Mm-hmm.
So E is depends on R. E is depends
Mm-hmm.
on
Small r.
R.
small r.
Mm-hmm.
But small r is increasing. Then it means what here? It means E is also increasing. Am I right or not?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
But after some times R is equal to become capital R. What is that point?
Yes.
What is that point then? Then E is becomes Q R by 4 pi epsilon
KQ by
0
R
Mm-hmm.
square
R
it will
cube.
be.
So
Mm-hmm.
R and R
Cancel.
square is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square. Correct na?
Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But what happen after if suppose R is greater than R is greater than R, then it will be decrease or increase further. E is increasing or decrease?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. Why? Because now this R will not come here. Now it will become E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 R. Because R
Mm-hmm.
is increased now. Now R
Mm-hmm.
value is increasing, denominator R is greater than greater than. So
Mm-hmm.
how you will draw the graph? See, start from this point. How you will draw the graph? Please tell me. You will draw the
Mm-hmm.
graph. How you will draw? Can you draw the Anastasia? Can you draw the graph
Yes.
or shall
Yes,
I draw?
yes. No,
Please,
no, I can. Mm-hmm.
yeah, please draw.
So it's gonna be
Hmm.
first it's gonna go like this, and this is gonna be point R,
Hmm.
and then it's gonna go like this.
What is this value? This value?
This value is E.
E is equal to how much?
Here E is equal to um, 1 second. If R is equal, so it's gonna be E is equal to Q divided on 4 pi epsilon 0 R big square.
Yes. Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 R big square. Now, Sambit, you have to give me one answer. Please think and one times answer only. Is it a straight line or curved? Please tell me.
So it will be straight line.
Why? Why not
So
curve?
because Q is constant.
Q is constant, okay?
Yes, sir. Because Q is constant, so it will directly go to this value and it will not vary through the path.
See, you are the math students. If what I can ask the biology student. See, you are the math students and you are not properly explaining me. Anastasia, can you explain me why it is a straight line,
Um,
why not curve?
because yeah, because when you first basically E is equal to here on this part of the function is E is equal to Q R small divided on 4 pi epsilon 0 R cube. So R is directly proportional to E.
Yes,
So
see,
it,
Sambit, the biology student is giving the answer. R, it is a straight line Q 4 pi epsilon 0 R square. These three are constant. So y is equal to mx plus c. C is 0. It is a equation of a straight line. It cannot go for curved. Understood, Sambit?
Yes, sir.
Is
If
it
Y
clear?
is the function. Yes, sir.
It is a straight line. It cannot be curved. So now you tell me your question is uploaded or not. You please see the answer now.
yes, yes. I actually understood that you were doing this question. Yes, I understand now.
You
Why the
understand?
answer? Yes.
Sambit, you are loaded?
So
Yes, sir, loaded. Now
so
this.
basically they are saying that.
Mood of something asking to you people. Okay. Both of
Okay,
you
okay.
both of you completed the magnetic field and electric field. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Sambit, you are not telling?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please tell me electric field and magnetic field. Electric field will be, if charge is moving, the force will work or not. Please tell me.
Uh, if charge is moving,
Yeah,
the force. Yes, yes, will work.
work. Sambit, magnetic field, if charge is stationary, it will work or not? Force will be there or not? Charge will be stationary.
No, force will not be there.
Yes, magnetic field, it is compulsory charge should move.
Yes, sir.
But electric field, whether stationary or moving, no matter. It depends.
It will.
Always it is moving also, it will be EQ. It is stationary also, it will be EQ.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It is clear?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If electric field and magnetic field both acting, what will happen? Suppose this is the way. I will take one example.
Yes, sir.
This is the plate.
Mm-hmm.
This is the direction of the B. What is
Magnetic
the
field.
direction of
B.
Magnetic field
B
into the
into the
page.
page?
Mm-hmm. Into the page.
My question is, think and then carefully you people first you don't give the verbal answer. Okay, when I will ask, then you will give. Suppose this is a charge particle moving, proton is
Mm-hmm.
entering in this region.
Mm-hmm.
Which
Mm-hmm.
region? Magnetic field region.
Mm-hmm.
Now I have to apply a electric field so that the particle should go straight line inside this field. No deviation. He will go straight line, no deviation. Is it possible or not?
Yes, it is possible.
So then please tell me, Anastasia, which direction electric field should apply?
Mm, it should be perpendicular to magnetic field.
Which direction? Perpendicular, many
Mm,
direction is possible. Upward is possible, downward is possible.
it needs to be down. This is proton, so it needs to be downward.
Sambit,
So the force needs to be upward.
I don't
Uh,
know. Force needs to be upward or downward.
sir,
My
for
question is
the
electric field, which direction?
sir, this way.
Anastasia, are you agree with this direction?
Um, 1 second, let me check. 1 second.
Yeah.
No, actually, I don't agree with this direction.
Then what is your direction? You mark with the red pen.
Um, this direction.
Sambit, you are telling up.
Yes, sir.
Anastasia is telling down. Why you are telling up? Please tell me first.
Sir, by applying Fleming's right-hand rule, it can be seen that the force applied by the magnetic field on the proton is downwards.
Why? Proton is downwards.
Yes, sir. So because the field is into the page
Huh?
and the motion is in this direction.
Yeah. You put your
So,
finger Fleming left hand rule, right hand rule, I don't know. I have teach you one right hand rule. Put your finger in the direction of the velocity, bend the fingers towards the magnetic field, thumb will be gives the direction of the force.
so that rule, sir, by applying that rule, then this direction is correct.
See, applying that rule or this rule, nothing here. One rule is always one.
Sir, two different things, sir.
No, no,
Sir,
no, no, no. You apply direct correctly. Please don't get confused yourself. After the class, please apply your Fleming left hand rule or whatever you rules you will say. It will be force by magnetic field is upward. Force by magnetic. So we have to neutralize this.
so the force will be downwards.
Yes, electric field will be downwards. Is it clear? Anastasia? Yeah.
Yes, clear, yes.
Please tell me if the velocity is its charge is E plus. It is going velocity V. Magnetic field is B. Magnetic field is B.
Okay.
How much electric field I have to apply? Please
How
do on the
much?
notebook both. I will ask
Yes.
anybody.
Electric
How much
force. You mean electric force?
field I have to apply so that it can go straight line. Sambit, you also write on the page paper. I will ask anybody.
Sir, I will write here.
No, listen. For both you should ready na. Don't just.
Sir, I am having the answer ready.
Okay, just Anastasia, are you able to do or shall I?
Yes.
Okay, write it on the board here. Anastasia A and Sambit.
Sir, should I write the whole? Sir, two steps only, that's why I am writing the whole. QE is equal to QE.
No, Anastasia, you are writing wrongly. See, this is the we are applying here downwards. Correct? Na? You told. My question is how much E should be there. So when proton enter here, when
Yes.
proton inside the field, the force will be act downwards. What is that force?
Okay. Yes, I
That is
understand.
the force is Q times E. Okay. And
Yes, I
due to the
understand.
magnetic field, this one it is QVB upside. So this is correct.
Okay, yes, I got it now.
You
Yes.
got it? Okay, no
Yes.
problem. Good. A negative charge particle is there. Please understand. Negative charge particle is here. Please listen carefully. What is the electric potential energy if it is the voltage is V? We are applying V here voltage. What is the electric potential energy here? Electric potential energy of this electron.
Mm-hmm. Energy of this electron is going to be this voltage, no?
Voltage is applied between the plate.
Mm-hmm.
Sambit, can you tell
Electric
me?
potential energy K so minus, sir, it will be not E but
Anastasia, can you think something? Sambit, you are doing wrong.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, I think it's going to be like 1 second.
electrical potential energy.
Is it going to be 0 or no?
Sambit, are you agree with Anastasia 0 or not?
Sir, I am not having any strong idea about this.
Strong idea or weak idea will not work, knowledge will work here. Please understand. When there is a charge in between the plate, there is electric field here. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
If any charge is placed at any charge is placed, it potential energy will be E times Q.
Mm-hmm.
E times
Q.
Q.
Q is the charge of the particle.
Q is the charge of the particle. This is the
Mm-hmm.
EQ is the electric potential energy. Like something here above the earth, something if you keep it gets gravitational potential energy or not. Once you leave this one, it will start moving, fall down. They are getting kinetic energy. Similar way you think that is the charge is having electric potential energy. If you leave the charge freely, it will start moving. Think in this way.
Yes, yes.
Once you leave the charge in the electric field, it should start moving. But question is here I have taken the negative charge which is just nearby the proton, a positive charge plate.
Positive side.
So electron will attract by the proton. If the electron is here, then its energy will be E times, tell me,
Q.
charge of electron
Electron. Mm-hmm.
at this point. But unfortunately it is here. It is
I got it.
already this proton and this electron, they will attract each other. No, it will not allow to move this side.
Mm-hmm.
So
So it will
here
be 0.
electric 0.
Mm-hmm.
But same if I taken proton here, Q positive charge. What is the electric field here?
E
Sorry,
times Q.
E times Q. Agreed?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
Good. Anastasia, you have told correctly, but you are not confident.
Yeah, I was not sure. I was not
Yeah.
sure why it's 0, but I.
Somehow guess it. Good.
Yes.
Good.